Hello everybody and friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today video is going to be focused on Santo mining crop, or we can say SANP stock. So in this video we are talking about its share prices, analysis, news, updates and other things about the stock and the company. So today's video is very interesting and important. So first of all, if you are visiting our channel for first time, please subscribe our channel, also press bell icon for future update. As Santo mining crop, it was one of the stock that we covered in our recent videos, and has this was the biggest one in terms of revenue. We thought let's have a look at them first, and after having done the analysis in them, we got to admit this is a pretty interesting company with lot of interesting plan for the future. They want to grow their business significantly in different ways that they want to achieve it. The Santo mining crop was trading at 0.0018 US dollar with a negative performance of 2 to 3% in today's performance. So I ended the video. Thanks for